First of all, you have to find the divisors of a number. Okay, let's make it. Let's divide the code. I mean, let's divide the requirement, and let's do the remaining process. For example, my requirement is to get perfect numbers. So for perfect numbers, I need to get the divisor first, and then you can able to add those divisors. Okay, so I'm thinking the basic output. Okay, not the main output, the basic output. Okay, y n I will take divisors. N should divide by, okay. I'll take my divisor as 1. Every number will have divisor 1, so I'm starting with 1. While my divisor is less than n, then I have to, my code should enter into while loop. If my divisor 1 is less than, because every number will have divisors less than that number. For 16, you will have divisors below 16 only, not more than 16, right? Okay, so that's why I'm considering this condition here. If my n is divided by this divisor, if I get my output as 0, then I'll print my divisor here. And I will increase my divisor. I will explain how I did this. I will explain it. I'll increase by 1. Let's see the output. If I take 6, I'm getting 1, 2, 3 as my. If I take 100, I'll get all the divisors of 100 now. Okay, perfect. Now my requirement is to add all the divisors, all the divisors. So you know how to do sum of. Already we have. I think we have done with sum of n natural numbers. In the same way, you take s equal to 0. S equal to s plus d. When you take a sum of n natural numbers, you will take like s equal to s plus 1 like that. But here I am adding in place of I have div. That's it. Okay. Now I'll print this s. Six. Okay, I got my sum as 6. I'll remove this to avoid confusion. Now I got sum also. If my number is equal to, when my number is compared with sum, when it is compared, when I get equal, when I get the condition true, then it is called perfect number. Else print a symbol. Let's see the output. And view 100, not a perfect number. Okay, 28. It is a perfect number. If you please let me know and another perfect number except 6 and 28. You can also search in Google. Let's check whether whether my code is running perfect or not.
How about 30?
30 is not a perfect number. Yeah, 30 is not a perfect number. Once go with Google, ask Google for give me some perfect numbers, or else I'll check it.
496.
496. Okay, I'll check it. 496. Yeah, it is a perfect number. So by this we can able to say that my uh, my code is running perfectly. And I want to say you something like, for example, if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. I'll take 7 numbers. Let's see the output. Okay, I'll take 8 and 9 also. Let's see the output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just wait, okay? Code is running inside it. Let's see. Let's wait for the output. Yeah, I got an output, but it has taken a long time, right? Let's check how much time it has taken to get my output. To check the time taken, you have a module called time. Simply you can import Python. Sorry, not Python, time. Yeah. Simply you can import time and you can use it. I am taking my variable. When my code starts, I'll give my starting time as time dot time. Okay. From time, I have called time method. Okay. When you what the thing will happens in this line is a time is counted here. Okay. At the end also I will take my time, end equal to time dot time. Now just tell me what will be the total time now. What will be the total time? Okay. For example, I have entered into a resort at 9 o'clock and came back at 11 o'clock. What is the time I spent in the resort?
Could you repeat the question?
I have entered into a resort at 9 o'clock, okay, morning, and I've came back from the resort at 11 o'clock in the morning itself. What is the time I have spent in that resort?
2 hours.
2 hours. How can you say that I have spent 2 hours?
Because, yeah.
There will be some calculation, right? You said 2 hours directly. Our brain is very fast. That's why it is saying 2 hours directly. But in between, some calculation has been done by our brain, but we don't know. It is some jet speed. Okay. How can you say that is 2 hours?
Because
Simply, what is the calculation?
It's like the time you left.
Time you entered. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Minus start. Print total time. Let's see the time now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just take down. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it take 19 seconds. Okay, 19 seconds to run my program. Okay, yeah, 19 seconds to run my program. Okay, nice. But explaining here itself, it was taking 19 seconds to run my program. Okay, what is the thing happening here? What is the value of div here? What is the value of div? I have
not,
taken div as 1, right?
yeah,
Okay. 1 is less than what is n here? I'll take 6, okay? I'll take my n value as 6. Value as 6. Okay. Is this condition true? One is less than 6, true or false?
true.
True. So I can enter into the loop. What is the value of n? 6 modulus 1 equal to 0. True or false?
Six modulus 1 is equal to 0.
Yeah, true or false?
True.
Modulus means you will get reminder. When you do floor division, you will get coefficient. Okay, don't get confused between modulus and floor division. Okay, you will
Okay.
get when you use modulus, you will get reminder as 0. Okay, it is true. Now, I want s value. S equal to my s is 0. 0 plus value of div is 1, right? 1. So my s value became 1 now. I am incrementing my div here. What is the value of div now? What is the value of div?
2.
Okay, after calculation you will get 2. Before I will have 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
whatever you said is right, but you have calculated and said. Okay. 2 is less than 6. True or false? 2 is less than 6. True or false? Just tell me the output. Don't get confused, okay? It is less only, right? 2 is smaller, right?
Oh, it's
2 is
true.
smaller. Yeah, it is true. So you will enter into the loop and you will check for 6 modulus 2 equal to 0. True or false? No problem. Just tell me the output. If it is wrong also, I can explain you. Just tell me confidently. 6 modulus 2 true is equal to 0. True or false?
True.
True. Okay. Then my S will become S equal to, before I have my S value as 1 here. 1 plus div means 2 equal to 3. Okay. My S value became 3 now. Now what is the value of div now?
4.
How?
3 plus 1.
Div
Eh,
value of div is 2 here. It is S value. It is div value. Okay.
yeah.
Don't
2
get confused.
1. 3.
It will become 3. Okay. Div value is 2 and plus 1. It will become 3. Okay. 3 is less than 6. True or false?
True.
True. 6 modulus 3 equal to 0. True or false?
True.
True. Okay. Now, what will be my S value? What is my previous S value?
1.
3.
3.
Plus, what is the value of div here? 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't get confused. Okay. 6. What will be the div now?
6.
How? Concentrate and tell me the output. What will be the value of div?
3.
Div value, previously I have my value as 3. Okay. It will be incremented with 1. Then my div value will become 4. Okay. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Don't
Yes.
get confused. Okay. 4 will go here. 4 is less than 6. True or false?
True.
True. 6 modulus 4 equal to 0. True or false?
False.
False. So it will not enter into this loop. So no addition is going on here. Okay. What will be my div value now? It is just not entering this if condition. Okay. But increment will be done by in the while loop. Okay. What will be my div value now?
Is it 4 plus 1?
5. Okay. 4
Yeah.
plus 1. Okay. 4 will come here plus 1. I'll get 5. Okay. 5 less than 6. True or false? Just tell me true or false. 5 is small or not?
True.
True. 5 modulus 6 equal to 0. True or false?
False.
False. So it will not enter into this loop. What will be my div now?
5 plus 1, 6.
6. 6 is less than 6. True or false?
False.
False. So it will not enter into the loop. It will come to if condition. Okay. Now my 6 is equal to my input. So I'll get this as perfect number. Okay. Why I have said this, why I have gone through this loop means I want to explain you something like, is there any need of considering this 4, 5 and 6 here? Every number will have divisors to half of its number. That means if you take 100, I said that I don't want number. If I take 100, I don't want 100. I want divisors less than 100. I will not consider 100. I've said that. Okay. If you take 100, just tell me the divisors for 100. 1 will be divided by 2. Next, tell me.
4,
4,
5,
5,
and then 50.
10,
Oh, yeah,
10,
10.
10,
50.
20 also, 25,
Yeah.
30, and also 50. After that, I'll have 100. That's it, right? Every number will have divisors half of its numbers. But after 50, you will not find any divisor for 100. Only itself. Okay. So I don't want to do unnecessary loops here. From 51 to 100, I don't want to do such loops. So I'll give a condition like y2 less than or equal to 50. If I take 100, I'll get only up to 50. Okay. Now I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here, and I got 19 seconds, 19.24 seconds. Let's see the how much time taken now. Okay, I have almost decreased my loops to half of its number. Now I'll run the same program with the same number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, if you observe, the time has been reduced almost 7 to 8 seconds. Okay, no, 7 seconds. Okay, so the time management is very important while you are writing a program. You should not do unnecessary condition checkings, unnecessary looping conditions in your program. Okay, if you do like that, you will take you will it will take more time to get the output. For example, if you are playing some games, when you try to, for example, if you had played this PUBG game, you will take some guns and all, right? When you shoot a bullet, it should go very fast, right? When it goes very slow, the user will not like that game, and he will reject that game. He will not show much interest in that game if it is slow. So in real time also, you have to write code in this generic way. Okay, you should just by giving small condition here, you almost your code timing has reduced to half of its time. Okay, so just I want to explain. Just I want to say that your code should be very generic. Okay. Yeah. Do you have any doubts in this number in this program?
Like, sorry, could you like why did you could you like go through like what the program is doing like as a whole?
Okay. As I've said that here uh, I have explained this loop, right? Here I am getting my sum as 6. Already our requirement is to find out what is a perfect number and what is a perfect number. If I will give an input, it should say whether it is a perfect number or not. Now I am considering here some sum of divisors here. Okay, I got my 6 as my output. I am comparing my input number with the sum which I have got after my looping statement here. Okay, when both the number are equal, then it is called a perfect number. If not, it is not a perfect number. Okay, do you
Yeah,
understand?
I understand that, but why did you import time?
Yeah, to use time module, you have to import some modules. Okay, I mean, if you want to, for example, you want to do programs based on numpy, you have to import that numpy module. In the same way, we have so many inbuilt modules in our Python to make our work very easy. Okay, uh, when coming to time module, uh, some code has been written in that time module. Okay, we don't know the code which is written in that module. Just we are importing that module and we are using that module. That's it. Okay, that will be done by some other developers. Okay, just we have so many inbuilt modules in Python that that other uh, scripting languages will not have that many modules. Okay, simply you can import them and simply you can use them. Okay, when coming to data visualization also, we will use some matplotlib like that, where we can give data and we can able to see in the form of graphs. There is no need to write a deeper code to visualize the with the form of graph. Simply you can import the module and you can use it. That's it. Okay, you understand?
Yeah, I understand, but like here you're trying to find out the perfect number, right?
Yes.
Whether if it's a perfect number or not.
Yeah.
So what's the function of the time? Like,
Yeah.
why are you using the time module in
It's
this?
no need to use the time module in our perfect number program. Okay, just to tell you that our just to know, to tell you the time difference between okay, between when you are using n, how much time it is taking. When you are using by 2, I mean when you are dividing by 2, how much time it is taking. Just to know, to get you that how much time it is taking. That's it. Okay, there is no need of this time module here. Okay, to get the perfect number. Time module will do nothing in this program. Okay, just to tell you that it takes this much time, and when you divide it, you will have you, just to tell you the time difference. Okay, that's it. Time module will place nothing in this program, in this perfect number program. Okay,
Yeah.
without time module also you can run the program. There is no issue. I'll take 6 is a perfect number. I think you said some 496, right? Okay, 496 also perfect number. And if you take another number like 2, 3, 4, 5, it is not a perfect number. Okay. Do you have any doubts?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's go with. Shall I tell you another example in while loop, or should I start with for loop? Your wish.
I think we can start with for loops.
But try to practice more number of programs using while loop. Okay.
Yeah, sure. We have the lab practice, so we can send it to you if you have any questions.
For that, I want to explain you another small program. Okay, small program in while loop. After that, I will start within 5 minutes. I can finish that program, and we can start for loop basics. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
yeah. I want to. I will. My requirement is, if I give an input to you, I'll give an input like some number. I should get my output in reverse order of that number. Okay. This was asked by most of the interview questions, and also in so many competitive exams. Okay, that's why I want to explain this. Int of put while greater than 0. How can you get each and every number? If I give my if I give my output input as 5, 6, 7, 8, I should get each and every number from that number. How can I get? Already we have done. I think we have done in some of your exercise questions. Okay, I
It's
will tell.
the floor division, right?
Yeah, floor division, and also you can use modulus. Okay, num modulus depth. Okay, this is what we have done in your previous programs. I will. Sorry, it is not num. N, n equal to n by depth. I'll print this. Let's see the output. Afterwards, I give 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I got 5, 6, 7, and 8 here by doing modulus. Okay, already I have explained you how modulus plays its role. Okay, if you want, you can refer, or else uh, we can explain in another class. Okay, yeah, how to reverse a number. Simply, you will take REV equal to, first of all, you have to define it. REV into 10 plus t. You have a formula called reverse into 10 plus t. Okay. Print this reverse. Let's see the output. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8 became reverse. Okay, let's deal with a small number. I'll take a small number as 153. I got 351. Let's make a dry run and let's finish up this while loop now. Given 153. Is 153 greater than 0 or not? It is true. Here 153 is greater than 0. So it will enter into this loop. Now tell me the output. T equal to 153 modulus 10. What will be the output here? 10, 153.
Is it 3?
Yeah. 3. These, and you get 3 here. Okay. These 3. Yeah. Just tell me the output here. REV is equal to, I have given my REV as 0 into 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. What is my REV here?
0?
How?
Because previously we had put 0.
I is 0. What my REV became now after taking this expression? I have given some expression here. Okay, REV is 0. 0 into 10 plus 3. What is the
Oh,
output here?
yeah, then it becomes 3.
Very good. Now, what will be my n value here? 153 by 10. This is reminder. When you use modulus, you will get reminder. When you use floor division, you will get coefficient. Okay. 15. Okay.
Yeah,
15. 15 greater than 0. True or false?
true.
15 modulus 10. Output
5.
okay. 5. 5. Okay. What will be my REV now? In REV, I have 3 before into 10 plus T is 5, right?
Yeah,
Tell me the output now.
35.
35. Okay. What will be my n value here?
1.
Okay. 1. 1 is greater than 0. True or false?
True.
1 modulus modulus 10. What is my reminder here? 1, 10. Zeros 10, right? Sorry, 0. What will be my reminder here? You can't divide 1 with 10, right? So
Yeah,
you'll get 1 0 zeros and you will get reminder as 10 here. 10 and here REV is 35. 35. Sorry. Sorry, I have done some. Okay, 1 10 10, right? 1 times 10. 8 out 10 0. Sorry. I've done something wrong here. This way. My n value is 35 into 10. What will be my n value here? Just tell me. 15s, and you before it had became 10 once 10, you'll get output as 5. Okay, so 5 will go here, right? Not 1. 5 only, right? So what is the value will go here? Just tell me. 153 by 10 will go 15 here, and then we'll 15 you will deal with 15, then once 10 you will get 5. Okay, 1. Then I have given, oops, get reminders 1 here. Okay, do you understand this? I have given my 1 outside and 10 here. Okay, that's why I got some we went through some little confusion here, but the right procedure is like this. Okay, our 1 will be divided with 10, right? 1 will come here. First 15 will come here, then 1 will come here. All the numbers will be divided with 10 only. Okay, now you will get remainder as 1 here. 1 is greater than 0. 1 modulus 10 is 1. The remainder will be 1 here. And when you consider this expression, REV is 35 before. If you see, if you observe here, you will get REV 35 into 10 plus 1. What is the output here?
351.
351. My number got reversed here. What will be my n value here? Just tell me.
So it's 1 divided by 10, right?
This is the expression. This is the condition happening here. You will get 0.
Yeah.
These are all n values. These are all t values. Reminders are t values. Coefficients are n values. Okay, don't get confused here. When you go for while loop, 0 greater than 0, true or false?
False.
False. So you will the output will be printed here. Okay, that's it. Do you have any doubts in this program? I can explain you once again. If you have any doubt, just ask me. Wherever you have doubt, just ask me. That's it.
No doubts.
Okay. Let's go for loop now. Yeah. Today I will go with some basic concepts. After that, we can go for some programs in for loop, using for loop. For loop, I can give a Python file, some basic examples. In single file, I can count it basics. Okay. For loop will not check for conditions here. It will have some range, and also it will go with the sequence. Okay. For example, I have a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to get each and every number from that list, you can use for loop. For I in X, I is nothing but elements. Okay, X is the list. Elements in this list. You have to print what you have to print here, elements or list. Well, simply I will take elements. What I have to print here? Elements or
Element.
elements. Let's run this. I got each and every number. Okay, if it follows some sequence, okay, you will get one by one from the list. Okay, the same way it follows another rule, like it have an inbuilt called range. Okay, in the same way as of list, you have it will also get the numbers from tuple dictionary set like this, like that. Okay, we'll have range for I in range of 1 comma 10 print I. So it is the starting number and it is the ending number. Let's see the output. You will get values from 1 to 9 because the range will not consider the upper bound. Okay, it will not consider the upper bound. It will if you want to give any number, you have to give uh, +1 to it. Okay, +1, or else as we have taken integers, there is no need to add here. Directly we can give 11. Okay, you will get 1 to 10. If you give an user input, then you can give like this: n equal to int of input. Now you can go for n+1 now. If you give 10 here, you will get the values up to 10. If you don't consider that +1, you will get values up to 9 because range will not consider upper bound. It is very important. Okay, and also in range we have another method, another function called step. Okay, step is nothing but just to jump one number. Okay, you will get if I take 100, you will get 1357. Okay, it will skip one number. Okay, one, it will consider a second number. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 is the second number, 4 and 5 is the second number. No, this is nothing but step. So it will follow a format. Range will follow a format called start comma end comma step. Okay, step. If you want to get numbers from 100 to 1, simply you can use print n comma. Let's see the output now. Let's see the output. What you will get. Uh, if I take uh, 50, will not get any output because the condition is not satisfied here. I have to I want reverse order of from 100 to some one like that. Okay, 100, 99 up to 2 because it will not consider the number. Okay, here +1. Okay, yeah, you can have negative stepping, and also if you don't give anything, it will take +1 automatically. Okay, there is no need to give +1. Okay, if you want to if you want to jump a number, then you have to give +2. Okay, not +2, just 2, like this. Okay, if you want in decrement order, you can use minus step. Okay, let's do some prime number logic in this program. Okay, I'll give an input and it should say whether it is prime or not. Equal to of one comma n. If my n modulus I will explain you this code. Okay, 0, then print print. Okay, what is prime number means? It will divide one and itself. So I'm taking my numbers from, I don't want a single divisor also. Okay, every number will divide with one and itself, but uh, prime numbers also will divide only with one and itself. That's it. Every number will divide with one and itself. It is okay, but prime number will have only two divisors, one and itself. Here I am not considering one and also not itself. If you take n, it will take as if I take 100 as n, it will take 99 only. So the number is not itself. So I should not get any of the divisor. Okay. For example, if I take 6 here, if I take 6 here, it will consider from 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. It will not consider upper bound. Okay. Now, n means 6, right? 6. I values are 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. 6, 5, 1. Sorry. 6 by 2. Will it divide here? You will get remainder as 0. Will you get, if you divide with 2, will you get your remainder as 0 or not?
Yes.
Yeah. So it will print it is not prime. Okay. If not, you will get prime. For example, let's take a prime number as 7. 7 will have from 2 to 6. Okay. Here let's consider 7 divided by 2. You will get 0. You will not get 0. Okay. If you do with 3, you will not get 0. 4, you will not get 0. 5, you will not get 0. 6, you will not get 0. Okay. So you have only from number from 2 to 6. So no condition is getting satisfied here. So you are getting a prime number. Okay. Let's see the output. And there is another correction here. Let's see that. Okay. I'll take my 7. I'm getting prime for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I don't want to check that many times. I'll give a break here. I'll give 7 here. Okay, even though I'm getting 7, if I consider shift, if I consider 7, just I'm getting prime here. If I give 100, I should get not prime. If I don't use break here, see what will happen. You will get prime at the last. You will get not prime. It will not prime is nothing but it is checking each and every divisor and it is giving as output as not prime. And finally, if this condition is satisfied, then you will get your not prime here. Sorry, you will get your prime here. Okay. So you have to come out of the loop. When the condition gets satisfied here, no action should be done here. It should come here. Okay. It should not consider this else block also. Okay. This is about for loop. We have some more programs in for loop. you can do some logical programmings in while and for loop. Okay, whatever the programs are there in while loop, like strong number, perfect number, prime number, the same programs you can do in the for loop. But according to the requirement, according to time management, we have to do that program. We have to use what is what will play a better role in this program. Okay, you can use for or while, but uh, in some programs for loop will execute in less time, and in some programs while loop will execute in less time. Okay, if you want me to show the timings of for loop and for while loop for the same logic, I can show you. Okay.
Sorry, could you like explain this program again?
Yeah. Okay. I'll take 6 as my input. Okay, what will be my values here in range from 2 to 5, because range will not consider upper bound. 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. Range will not consider upper bound, and I have taken my starting number as 2 because prime numbers will have divisors only 1 and itself. So I am considering both numbers should not be in my program. Okay, 1 and itself. So even if it has one even if it satisfy this condition at least one time, then it will become not prime. Okay. Okay, for example, I'll take 6 modulus, the number I got here is 2. Will you get remainder as 0 or not?
Yes.
Yeah. So this condition got satisfied here, and it will print not prime, and it will come out of the loop, out of entire for loop. Okay, for loop, for and else is there in this for loop only. Okay, if you use else block here, you will get repeated times. This number will gets repeated number of times. That means how many factors you have, that many times it will turns into loop. So I am considering this outside my loop. Here.
Okay, so once it comes out of the loop, once it's 0, then it will go on and take 6 and divide it by 3.
Yeah, if
Okay.
you don't use break, again it will if it has at least one factor, I mean one divisor between 2 and 5 for 6. I'm talking about 6. Okay, at least if it have one divisor between 2 and 6 rather than 1 and itself, it has uh, these many numbers in between 1 and 6 itself, right? At least if it is divided with any one of these numbers, then it will become not prime, right? Already you will have 1 and 6 as its divisors. So I'm considering divisors from 2 to 6. Okay, this is what I am doing here. Even if it divide with any of these number, if you get your remainder as 0, then it will become not prime, right? Are you getting my point? If it is divided by 2, then it will become not prime. Is it necessary to check about 3?
No.
No. So there is no need of checking 3 because already 2 has been divided and I got an extra divisor for my 6. So it became not prime. So I am coming out of the loop. Even one condition gets satisfied, I will come out of the loop. Okay. If you observe print, I am out of the, okay. If you use 6, you will get not prime, and it came out of the loop. Okay, it it will not consider this else block. Okay. If in the same way, I'll take my 7 as my input. You'll have up to 2 to 6. It will consider from 2 because I have taken my range as 1 here. So 7 by 2, true or false? You will get remainder as 0.
No.
No. True or false?
False.
False. 4,
False.
5,
False.
6.
False.
No condition is satisfied here. Any of the condition is not satisfied here. So it came to else block and it has printed prime and it will come out of the loop here. Okay, that's it. If you give 7, you will get prime and it will come out of the loop. Okay, you got
Okay.
my point?
Yeah, understand.
Yeah, if you have any doubts, you can practice 1 or 2 times, then you will have an idea what is going on here. Even though you are not getting this point, then you can just ping me. I will help you. Whatever the time it is, I can help you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This is how a for loop is. It is how we can deal with a for loop. We have some other programs. These are basics of our programs. So we can also do in data structures. Okay, I mean we can use for loop in data structures. I don't want to waste much time in for loop. Okay, but by tomorrow itself I will start data structures. Okay, is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, that's all about today's class. Okay, do you have any doubts in today's class?
No.
No. If you have any doubts, just ping me. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye. Have a nice day, Shaira. Bye. Bye, Lakshmi. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.